Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Barb. So today we're going to start here on the porch. I'm just going to clear off some stuff in this corner. We had some furniture and things that we needed to, we had plans on redoing this stuff and we just haven't got to it yet. So we're going to take it back to the barn because it's just cluttering out here. So I needed to get all that done. But this portion of today's video is sponsored by Alney. They just sent me these outdoor lights. These lights are, they come with ETL listed and they're waterproof, which means they can withstand snow, sun, wind, and rain, and just extreme temperatures. They are for outdoor use. They are also made from plastic with impact resistance, so they are safe, and you don't have to worry about the glass if it breaks or whatever. You can also connect up to 16 sets, making them almost 800 feet, which is a lot. So definitely go and check these lights out. I will have them linked down below. Like I said, the glass lights are really dangerous. The other day, we let Sadie out on the porch, and she did grab one of the plastic bulbs from these lights, and it didn't break, it didn't shatter. The lights actually turned off. I don't know if there's some kind of safety mechanism in there, but it would have been absolutely horrible if that had been glass. So I'm so happy that these were plastic. So like I said, I will have these linked down below if you want to go check them out. I have worked with Alney before, and their products are great. Their customer service is great. So I definitely recommend them for your outdoor lighting. So yeah, I'll have it linked down below for y'all if y'all want to go check that out. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up this kitchen. We're going to get the dishes going, and then I'm going to take everything off the counters, wipe them down really good, and I'm going to throw on some music. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I hope it gets you motivated.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right like fall in love like this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
So as you can see, I was dancing a little there. I'm probably listening to like Morgan Wallen or something like that. I usually either listen to podcasts or music. Most of the time it's podcasts though. I like to keep my mind right, if you will. But yeah, I'm almost done in here. I just sprayed some vinegar and water to clean the counters off, and I'm just going to do that really quick. I hope y'all are enjoying this video, and like I said, I hope it's motivating y'all. If you like videos like these, I usually do at least one cleaning motivation video a week. I'm also going to start doing some hacks and stuff for shorts. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now if you like videos like these. And thanks to all my subscribers that have been here. I appreciate y'all. Got to tell y'all that every time because I do. But yeah, we're almost done in the kitchen, and then we'll head on to the rest of the house. This is a super short video, so yeah, I'll have a longer one up for y'all soon.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
I just needed to clean this fridge. It was absolutely horrible, just really bad in there. So I needed to declutter it and clean it and get it all organized again so I can go pick up some more groceries. So now we're here in the bedroom, and I just needed to tidy up in here a bit and get the bed made, pick up some clothes and stuff like that. I am going to go ahead and wash the sheets because I wash the sheets constantly. I hate dirty sheets, and we do allow Sadie to sleep with us. Sadie's our dog, and she's a massive beast, and she does make the bed stink really bad. So I'm constantly washing my sheets. Every 2 days, just about, I'm washing my sheets. But yeah, needed to get all that done. I had clothes everywhere, just stuff everywhere in here. And that's how it usually goes in my bedroom. It's always the last place I worry about cleaning because nobody really comes back here. I like to have the main area of the house clean, the bathroom over there clean, and then I get to this when I can. But I do, if I'm going to be editing for days or whatever, I really like to have a clean space, a clean room to be in, because it just helps with my concentration and I don't get so overwhelmed and agitated, because I do get really agitated if the house is a mess. I just do. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down. I hope you're enjoying this, and I'm going to throw on some more music.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. I'm thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter.
That's going to be about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it got you motivated. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Take care of each other. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
If you